Hey everybody, this is Chris, the Public Safety Guru. All right, the reasons why you want to support this EMT podcast channel. When I started teaching EMT at a local college, I was told that the success rate for passing the class was 40%. This was unacceptable to me. And when I started teaching the class, I started to see the reason why. Death by PowerPoint. I decided that I was going to take those PowerPoint lectures, add a spin to them, and create my own podcast. And 2 years later, here we are. But what happened during that 2 years? Well, the success rate for my class went from 40% to over 80%. And as far as National Registry testing, of that 80%, 90% of my students passed the NREMT test the first try. They attribute their success to the podcast. Well, in listening to the podcast myself, I see how season 1 needs some brushing up, and that's why I'm calling it season 1. We are now starting season 2. However, we want to provide more of a learning experience for all EMT students. See, it does not matter the program that you're in. You could be in a program in California, in North Carolina, New York. It doesn't matter. We are teaching you to the National Registry standards. We have to give you lectures and tests built around NREMT. So it doesn't matter. So if you're in my program, great. You're going to get a lot of benefit from both season 1 and season 2. However, if you're a student in another program, you're going to definitely get that same benefit. What this new membership is all about is providing, like I said, a better learning experience. Season 1 and season 2 will remain free. But for your support, you're going to gain access to more tools and resources to help you in whatever program that you're in, up to including private tutoring. If that sounds like something that really excites you, then click on the links and see if any of those memberships are something that you would like to support. If you're not an EMT student and you still want to support us, we'll definitely take your support, as all we are trying to do is educate the future heroes of EMT. And it doesn't matter if you're a student in another country. I am sure that these lectures are providing you some benefit as well, as the analytics have shown that this podcast is being listened to by people across the world, which is just exciting to know that I'm helping people that I don't even know. All right, so thank you very much. I hope that you find a need to support this channel, because all we're really trying to do is just provide the best learning tools and resources to get EMT students through their program. Thank you very much. This is Chris, the Public Safety Guru. You can find more information at thepublicsafetyguru.com. You can also email us at thepublicsafetyguru@gmail.com. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all your support and your consideration.